Strip away its toasted sesame bun, onion, crisp lettuce, pickles, and what have you got? Just another hamburger?
As a result of our modern lifestyle, we are at risk of eradicating important microscopic life in our gut. So now there's an international initiative with the goal of creating a kind of Noah's Ark for humanity's gut bacteria, the Microbiota Vault. And in Sweden, they are also collecting these bacteria.
Hej Annika!
Hej!
Har du några prover till mig?
Ja, de står i slussen.
Perfekt.
The Microbiota Vault gang is only at the starting gate so far, so they are most likely jealous of Frederick Beckhead here, because he has his very own gut bacteria library. It's down in the basement at Sahlgrenska University Hospital that these intestinal bacteria are stored at minus 80 degrees Celsius.
In our microbiota vault, we have bacteria that we have isolated from healthy individuals. I would try to culture everything they have in the gut and then characterize what they do and who they are. And today we have isolated 2,000 bacteria that we're currently trying to investigate their function in our gut ecosystem. The bacteria we isolate, we're also trying to see if they're connected to either health or different diseases. Här har vi bakterier som fekaliebakterien Prausnitzi, disulfur vibrio piger och andra spännande bakterier som jobbar med.
The goal of the global intestinal bacterial vault is to ensure human health over the long term. And Frederick also dreams that their bacteria will help people stay healthy in the future and contribute to a balanced gut life.
I guess a vision would be that you can resemble the future with an old-time pharmacy where you can have different bacteria in drawers and you can compose the perfect mix for a given person. You may need bacteria from drawers A, B, and C, and I would need from E, F, and G. And then we can sprinkle this with some dietary advices.
I could feel it in my bones.